Hi. So today we're going to talk about reading logs and reading journals. And I'm going to be reading a new book along with you while you're reading a new book. I'm going to do my reading log and journal just at the same time you're doing yours. So we can talk about what we're reading together, because the more we talk about what we read, the more we understand and the more we can kind of figure out how literature works. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing for my reading log and journal. So first of all, I put in my Google Drive, I opened a Google Doc, and I just titled it Reading Log and Journal. I put my name, Ms. Hunt, and I put the title of the book I'm reading, The Girl Who Drank the Moon. I need to make sure that I underline that title because that indicates the title of a book. The other thing is I put the author, I put her name, but I need to put by before that so we know we're talking about the author. I put the date, and this is the reading that I did today. The time I spent 15 minutes. So in class, it tells you to spend 30 minutes, but 15 minutes works. So I want you to I want you to read for 15 minutes, and then I want you to spend about 15 minutes doing your reading log or reading journal. So spend some time really making sure that you're answering questions and prompts and keeping track of your reading. So I have my time spent here as 15 minutes, and then make sure you write down what pages you read. So pages 1 through 18 is what I read today. And then today's prompt is asking us about characters because it's a new book, so they're going to introduce a lot of new characters. So we're going to talk about those. So in my book, the main character that I've seen so far is Zan. And she is a witch, so I'm going to put that in there. Let me make sure I spelled that correctly, a witch. And then I also put some sticky notes in my book to kind of help me keep track of names, because some of the names in this book are a little different. They're not names you would expect, so I've kind of put some sticky notes, because sticky notes are a great way to keep track of information in your book. So I can just move the sticky notes without having to write in my book, without having to mark in my book. I'm just going to move them. So the other character that I've seen so far is Grand Elder Gerland. And then his nephew, and I'm just simply writing nephew. And let me turn the pages. His name is Antane. Antane. Then, as I got a little further into the book, in the next chapter, talked about the character Zan, which is the witch. She was talking to Glurk. Isn't that a funny name? Glurk. And Glurk is the swamp monster. And I am going to put swamp monster so I don't forget that. And she was talking to Glurk about Firian. And I'm going to have to copy that straight from my book because it's spelled kind of crazy. Fyrian, who is a dragon, which I am pretty fascinated to find out more about this dragon. So that's about where I stopped, finding out about Glurk and the dragon. And she wants Glurk to apologize to the dragon, but I'm not really sure why. So I'll be excited to find out about that tomorrow. So what I want you to do is read for 15 minutes each day, and I want you to keep track of that reading with the pages. Now, tomorrow, when I add to this, I'm not going to write the book title and the author again. I'm just going to write the amount of time I spent and the pages. That way I don't have to keep writing the same thing over and over again. But I'm also going to add to my character list as I come across new characters this week, because it's a new book, so it's really likely there's going to be some new characters. So I hope you're enjoying your book. I'm excited to learn more about mine. All right, happy reading.